Hey, great day to you. So does Jungle Scout work in Australia? Does Jungle Scout support the Australian marketplace? Can you use this Amazon FBA software in Australia? In this video, you're going to find the answer, and also you'll see which tools by Jungle Scout actually do support the marketplace in Australia. And in the description, you're going to have the best discounts for Jungle Scout and a playlist of over 100 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. So this page also is going to be their list of supported countries. I recommend you checking it because it might get updated with time. So I'll have the link in the description. Get updated. So let's see, these kind of first here 8 marketplaces, they have way more information by Jungle Scout for Amazon sellers, and those other ones, as it says, in addition, will offer limited support for the following stores, and one of them is Australia, so amazon.au. And let's see exactly which tools Jungle Scout does have for AU. So AU is here, the third from the right side. The home dashboard works with AU, so that's generally the Jungle Scout dashboard itself. But inside the dashboard, you won't have access to listing estimator or listing grader. Okay, so you don't have these yet, so you won't be able to estimate sales really, or estimate how good a listing or not is with the listing grader. Also, for product research, the tools don't work. Product tracker, database, opportunity finder, category trends do not work with AU, with Australia. And maybe again, it's going to change in the future, so check it out in the description. Jungle Scout is growing, the industry is growing, Amazon is growing, so probably it's going to be available with time. But yeah, suppliers, the next part, supplier database is not available. Actually, it's only available in the US, but supplier tracker is. It's a nice way to organize your suppliers with Jungle Scout and kind of make yourself an easier life. So it is available. Next thing is keywords. So kind of keyword research and kind of product research, I guess, as well, because it's part of keyword research. Also, we don't have anything yet for AU, for Australian marketplace. So keyword scout, keyword list, listing builder, rank tracker, not yet available. There are other kind of tools that might be able to help you with Australia. Check them out in the description. Again, it's still a growing marketplace, so maybe you won't have that much information from even the other tools. So in the description, I have for you Helium 10 and ZonGuru that might be able to help you more with Australia with the best discounts for them, and the playlist of tutorials for those tools as well. And the next one is review automation, and you do have it for the Australian marketplace. This is basically a tool that helps you automatically request reviews for your sales on Amazon on your product. So if you got 100 sales of your favorite garlic press, then you can automatically have Jungle Scout request those reviews. It's a pretty cool tool in my opinion, and it's available for all marketplaces. So take advantage of that for the Australian marketplace as well. You have the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description, along with the best tutorials for Jungle Scout. Well, maybe not the best tutorials, hopefully good tutorials that I've created for you, over 100, but we're doing the best to have them being the best. But it's yeah, only the market will judge, I guess, and then it's up to you. So next one is keywords. So it's actually not actually keywords here. It's more of I would call it a profit analytics. So the next part is like profit analytics, profit overview, P&L statement, auto transactions. You can actually connect Jungle Scout to your Seller Central, and with the help of their analytic tools, you can see your finances. Basically, you can see if you're profitable or not. And this is really cool. This is good that this part works for AU and also works for all marketplaces. So it's pretty awesome in my opinion. Next one is advertising. Advertising analytics also is available for Australia, and this tool will help you with your PPC on Amazon by Jungle Scout, so it's a nice idea. We have also a video for that. In that playlist of tutorials, you'll find tutorials for each of those tools, I believe. Yeah, I think for all of them. Yeah, it's interesting. I think we covered them all in those videos. So next one is manage products. So that's kind of inventory management. So don't go out of stock, don't overstock. It's a challenge, I know, on Amazon, but basically with this kind of Jungle Scout tool, inventory manager, and product settings and costs that are available for the Australian marketplace, you can actually stay in stock and not go overstock. Hopefully, you'll need to learn a lot about inventory management because it's such a challenging, at least for me. I keep repeating this in my videos. Maybe for you it's not, so good for you. Yeah, I'm still struggling there, but Jungle Scout can help you with this part. And of course, in the description, you have the best discounts for Jungle Scout as well, and the best tutorials. The next one is the extension. So the extension is a really cool tool that you can also download through the link in the description. Helps you with different parts on Jungle Scout on Amazon, like product research and validation. Not yet available for the Australian marketplaces. As you can see, it says the extension has all platforms built in for ease of use, so there's no need to download separate versions. Open the Amazon store you're interested in and run extension directly on those results to get marketplace specific data. At the moment, you can use extension on the following Amazon stores. Yes, Australia is not here yet, so it's gonna probably get added there. So that's why I recommend you checking this page in the description. I'll have it linked for you there somewhere in the description, along with the best discounts and a playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials that will also appear here on the screen. You can click on the playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials now to go and watch them and find the relevant ones for you, even if you're using it for other marketplaces. And of course, the best discounts are in the description as well for Jungle Scout. I'm wishing you a great day there in Australia or wherever you are in the world. Let's go.